We are there in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Andaman Nicobar, Goa, with the entry of Mumbai, and we are going to be there in entire Maharashtra shortly. Not only these 8 states of India, we have recently started our operations in Sri Lanka also. In the October 2011, we have started the Sri Lankan operations. This is the Bharati Cement growth history. We have started in September 2009. So we made a beginning in the first year with 1.3. Then second year we have come to 1.3 million tons. And so far it has been 1.8 million. We will be touching 2 million tons the current year. Though the industry is growing very marginal, we are able to grow with 49%. That is the performance of Bharati Cement. And we would like to go continuously like this. Our main thrust is on a quality of the product. So this market-wise sales, if you see, this is how current year we have done. Our major share in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and now with the 4th place, Maharashtra is taking place. I am telling you, by 2012 and 13, Maharashtra will be the main focus market for the Vika Group, and it will be a #1 state in entire India. Maharashtra will take the highest, more than 1.2 million Maharashtra sales. So to sell the product, we have a strong dealer network today. 1,752 dealers are there with us, and we would like to add another 500 dealers in Maharashtra to become a large network company in India, and also we would like to consolidate our Maharashtra sales. So to give the services, we have opened offices in various locations in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. We are planning to open an office in Mumbai, Pune and other parts of Maharashtra, so that we will be always close to our customers and dealers. Cement is a voluminous product and you need a timely service. In order to deliver the cement in 24 hours to the customers, we have already opened 62 warehouses in entire South India, and with this proposed coming second plant in Gulbarga, we are opening another 17 warehouses in Maharashtra. With that, our warehouse strength will go to 79, and we will be delivering cement to the customer at any time. Once the order is placed, within 24 hours we want to deliver. That is the policy of the company, and so far we have been successful doing and achieving the same thing. And we also have bagged warehouses. Apart from that, we have a couple of locations, a bulk cement delivery system. Now we have already started in Chennai and Bangalore. We are going to shortly do it in other places also. Basically, the logistics, if you see, our 44% dispatches are by rail. All the longer lead destinations we service through rail, and short destinations where road is cheap, where we do, now we are doing almost 46% by road dispatches, and we are into bulk. With that, our total output, 10% we are giving by bulk delivery. As I said, October, we have just opened exports through Chennai port.